Hello and welcome to this section of the course which talks about how to use presentation, which is the Microsoft PowerPoint alternative of Microsoft Word. So the LibreOffice also has its own Microsoft PowerPoint, like we've explained, which is called the Impress presentation. So in this section, we are going to cover everything you need to start learning about how to present, to set up your project, and how to use most of the features within the Impress presentation. But in this particular class, I will just try to show you how to create a project within the LibreOffice presentation or Impress presentation. So to start with, whenever you open the LibreOffice platform, like we've explained earlier, you have all of these create features and you have the option to kickstart from an existing project. You can always bring it in and continue with your editings. Now in this case, we're just going to start with the Impress presentation. So you can click on Impress presentation to be welcome to this very platform. Now one thing you should take note of is that in Impress presentation, it comes in with different type of templates. You have different templates that you can see across depending on what you are trying to create, and you can search for a particular template. If you know what you are looking for, you can always search for it directly, or you can come over here and check out the different categories that we have, and you can manage the presentation. You can create a new category, you can reset to default category, and you can import different kind of documents to work on this particular presentation. Now this comes up anytime you start a project. So if you want to start working with the template, you can always select a template and just click on it, and then you can go ahead and edit. Okay, you can say open this template, and it's going to open this as a template for you to just edit and add in your content, just like the way you have in PowerPoint. You can add in anything of your choice, and you can always duplicate this slide to move on to the next slide. Okay, to add in content accordingly, just like that. You can keep duplicating the slides and keep on adding content as you move on. So this is how to work with templates. You can always go back and add in or change the template to anyone of your choice. But for now, let's say we want to create a project on this. This is a new document that we've just started, and our target for this class is just to create a project. Now to create a project or to save this file, all you need is to come to file over here, and you can come to save as, or you can save and it bring you over here. So you define where you want to save it. So you can just go ahead, navigate within your system, find a place where you want to save. In my own case, I want to save it in this LibreOffice tutorial, and I can come over here and just type in, this is PowerPoint, this is presentation 1. All right, so you can specify the format. The default is ODF presentation O.ODP. This is the default format that it comes in, but later on I will show you also how to export your presentations in different formats so that it can pop up, or it can work with other formats like PPTX, like that we have .pptx in Microsoft Office or thereabouts. So you can learn how to save in different formats as we move on. But for now, I want to keep it at default, so we can just go ahead and say save to this, and now we have a project presentation 1.odp, which is now saved in this document. So this concludes this class about opening and creating a presentation project within LibreOffice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next class. Bye.